Last night we had the MVP, Nikola Jokic, just absolutely dismantle the reigning Defensive Player of the Year, Rudy Gobert, and the Minnesota Timberwolves. Nuggets win this one 112-97. They've now won 3 consecutive games and are 1 game away from closing out the series and moving back to the Western Conference Finals. And Joker hit him with everything, whether it was post moves, drop steps, no-look dimes, alley-oops. Everything he did worked last night as he dropped 40 points, 12 assists, and 7 rebounds. Where were the rebounds, Joker? No triple-double? The T-Wolves will head back to Minnesota for Game 6 to try to keep this series alive. But if the last 3 games have shown us anything, the Defensive Player of the Year is not an answer for the Joker. And if you like daily NBA content, smash the sub.